What's different is that the AI is like an interactive tutor. As we start talking about like what are the risks with AI, like what are the issues here, a lot of people will look at that and say, well, how is that any different than a Google search? Because if you Google like how do I make napalm or whatever, you can find certain pages that will tell you, that thing. What's different is that the AI is like an interactive tutor. Think about it as we're moving from the textbook era to the interactive super smart tutor era. So you've probably seen the demo of when they launched GPT-4, the famous example was they took a photo of their refrigerator, of what's in their fridge, and they say, what are the recipes of food I can make with the stuff I have in the fridge? And GPT-4, because it's just this, it can take images and turn it into text, it realized what was in the refrigerator, and then it provided recipes for what you can make. But the same, which is a really impressive demo, and it's really cool. Like, I would like to be able to do that and make, great food at home. The problem is I can go to my garage and I can say, hey, what kind of explosives can I make with this photo of all the stuff that's in my garage? And it's like, and it'll tell you. And then it's like, well, what if I don't have that ingredient? And it'll do an interactive tutor thing and tell you something else you can do with it. Because what AI does is it collapses the distance between any question you have, any problem you have, and then finding that answer as efficiently as possible. That's different than a Google search. Having an interactive tutor. And then now when you start to think about really dangerous groups that have existed over time, I'm thinking of the Om Shinrikyo cult in 1995.